Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to make some puff pastry rolls with the lamb filling. Let's see what are the ingredients we need for this. 100 grams onion, 3 green chilies, 1 teaspoon black pepper powder, salt to taste, 1 teaspoon cumin powder, 1 stem rosemary, 2 tablespoon tomato puree, 200 gram lamb sausages, 250 grams puff pastries, 1 egg. Let's see how I'm going to prepare this. First of all, I'm going to peel off the skin from the lamb sausages. It's edible. For this puff pastry rolls, I'm going to make this as a filling. So I'm going to peel off first. Once I did that, I'm going to mash the sausages into a very tiny small pieces. And here I have chopped the chilies, onions and rosemaries. I'm going to add all those things inside. I'm going to add salt, tomato puree, cumin powder, pepper powder, and I'm going to knead thoroughly. Once it's done, leave it to the side. And now I'm going to dust the station with a little bit of flour. This is I already pre-made puff pastry. So I'm going to roll it oblong shape around 1/4 centimeter thickness. And with this lettuce cutter or lettuce roller, I'm going to mark half of the side. To make 3 rolls, I just give 3 equal space between each other. This will help to cut off from that space. Now I am start to filling to the other side of the pastry. After I arrange those 3 fillings, between those gaps I'm going to give an egg wash onto it. And now going to fold the pastry sheet to the half, so you will get the lettuce pattern to the top of the fillings. And make sure don't open too much the lettuce design, which will cause any leaks. And between those fillings, just give a little press. This will help 2 layers sticks together. Trim off the excess with the pizza cutter or the knife. And once I did that, slowly I transfer the pastry rolls onto the baking tray. I lined with the baking sheet, and now I'm going to give an egg wash 2 times. If you give 2 times egg wash, then it will be more shinier than the 1 wash. I am going to bake this at 200 degrees Celsius in a preheated oven about 10 to 15 minutes. Once it's done, you will see how crispy and golden brown color it was, and it keeps well and the taste was yummy. You must try this recipe. From this video, I'll end up my today's tutorial. Please stay tuned to my channel. I'll see you in my next tutorial. Until then, bye from Chef Fatima Shifnaz.